आयज आमचो डायरेक्टर ऑफ म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वॉज टू विजीट आवर म्युनिसिपालिटी येवपा आसलो पूण कांय कारणाक लागून असेंब्ली क्वेश्चनाक लागून ही हेल्ड अप आनी इन हीज प्लेस his next in command Mr. Rigne, he had visited our office today and he has taken a review of all the progress, whatever development projects municipality has undertaken and which are pending before GSUDA or whoever these authorities. So they have taken the review and all the councillors were also present. They have given their whatever works pending with the DMA or other authorities. आमच्यो ज्यो प्रोजेक्ट्स घेतलेले म्युनिसिपालिटीन ते जितले खंय पेंडींग आसा तेजो आतां रिव्यू घेयलो आयज आनी दीस इज अ रिव्यू मिटींग आनी वेरी गुड थिंग टू रिव्यू द वॉट एवर डेवलपमेंट्स ऑफ द म्युनिसिपालिटीज एज म्युनिसिपालिटीज आर गोईंग फॉर अ न्यू इलेक्शन विल बी देर सो असो रिव्यू घेवप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टंट
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देर वॉज इश्यूज विथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट म्युनिसिपालिटी लाइट्स बी पेटना म्युनिसिपल जुरिडिक्शन so the issue is already sorted out. All the councillors are directed not to give any material to the electricity department and आमचो electricity material गेल्लो lighting electrical fixtures whatever गेल्लो I have been directed to hand over all the material to the electricity department.
Underground cabling
underground cabling is already taken up आणि तेची चालू आसा process चालू आसा. It will take time.